Hi, my name is Robin, and as product owner for Empower Docs, Mails, and Sheets, I would like to give you a quick overview over the exciting new features that will come to you with Empower Mails 9.0. There are three key areas that we worked on. First, the look and feel and theme support. For Empower 9, we have improved the overall look and feel and made a lot of individually subtle, but altogether quite significant changes, so that Empower 9 now has an even better, more consistent and focused visual appearance that also builds upon several aspects of the general direction Microsoft moves into with the Office user interface and its latest update. Empower 9 also finally properly supports the different Office themes. That is, if users prefer to work with a different Office theme, for example, dark gray, black, white, or colorful, Empower will now automatically adjust its appearance to match the selected Office UI theme, so the Empower user interface will blend right in with the Office and will provide an even more pleasing visual experience for those users that prefer a different color theme. So as you can see, the UI for Empower Mails just adapts to the Office theme. Next, there's telemetry and usage reports. Starting with this version, Empower 9 by default gathers telemetry data about the usage of the software in your organization. To ensure the user's data privacy, the software only collects anonymized data. With this data, you can get usage reports from us. These provide insight on questions like, what's the user adoption rate? How many people in the organization are actually using Empower? How intensively are they using Empower? What are the most popular features? What features maybe are not used as much, so that maybe it's worth considering to provide specific training on these features. And based on these numbers, you can also get a return on investment report, so that you can literally prove that Empower is a worthwhile investment. Finally, maybe the most exciting new feature for Empower Mails, there's signature campaign management. Signature campaigns define content, currently banner images, that should be added to email signatures of Empower Mails users based on a time window and the user's assignment to groups in the campaign group hierarchy. To give you an idea of the overall workflow, let's first take a quick look at signatures I currently have set up. You can see them here. And now if I want to define a campaign, I go in here and click on New Campaign. And now I provide a name. Let's say we want to do a campaign on the Empower 9 release. I select the duration. I pick a target group, which is global in this case, and global contains all the other groups. So everybody in the organization will take part in this campaign. And then I can apply images or select images for the different placeholders that have been defined. I just want to provide content for the middle placeholder, and I pick the correct content, and I'm good to go. I now have set up a campaign. And as you can see, Empower Mails already detected that my local signatures have to be updated. This will be the same for all users. Empower Mails will check for new campaign content and will update the signatures accordingly. And now if we take a look at my signatures, you can see that both signatures have been extended with the campaign content. Now you might ask, how do I sort out conflicting campaigns? For example, a global and a regional campaign, or geographical and a product-oriented campaign. The answer is, let Empower Mails do that for you. You just need to make sure that the hierarchy reflects the priority of the campaigns, and Empower Mails will always apply the most specific campaign for every user. For example, we have this global campaign running, and now we want to add a regional campaign. We again pick a duration, and you might notice that this duration exactly overlaps the other campaign, but we pick a different target group, namely the DE or the German target group, which is a subgroup of the global group in this hierarchy, but it's more specific. So if I now assign content to the exact same placeholder, but this time I pick the regional banner, and I save that campaign, Empower Mails already detects that my local signatures have to be updated. The same will happen for all other users. And after a brief moment, if we take a look at the signatures, you'll notice that both signatures have been updated with the regional campaign content without the global campaign being deactivated. So That makes it really easy to control different campaigns at the same time throughout the organization. That concludes the brief overview over the new features that are available within Power Mails 9.0. Please let us know what you think. Send us your feedback and your suggestions for this or any other feature. We'd love to hear from you. That's it for today. Thanks for your attention. Till next time. Bye.